Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is a superfood, and that's banana flour. You'll be surprised to know the health benefits of banana flour. Banana flour is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help in controlling diabetes. It is very beneficial for women of all ages, like it strengthens the uterus by controlling excessive bleeding. In lactating women, it improves the lactation and also it prevents constipation during pregnancy. It also helps in boosting our mood and reducing anxiety and slows down the aging process. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a teardrop shaped maroon purplish in color, which hangs at the end of banana clusters. So before starting with the recipe, let's start the cleaning process. So you need to remove these hard skin layers which are found on top of this banana flour. Also remove these yellow colored florets. Store them in the refrigerator, and when you have collected enough amount, you can make snacks out of it. Before starting off with the chopping process, grease your palms, knife and chopping board with oil so that they do not get stained after cutting the banana flour. Give slits on top vertically and horizontally before chopping. After chopping, drop the flour pieces into cold water or buttermilk solution so that they do not turn black. Similarly, again slit and chop and then transfer them into cold water. So here we have finished chopping the whole banana flour. Now squeeze out the excess water from the banana flour and transfer them into another pan before cooking. So we have finished squeezing out water from the whole chopped banana flour. Please note that you need to soak masoor dal or this orange colored lentil 1 hour before cooking. You can add lentils or beans of your choice, but this tastes better in this recipe. To start with the recipe, heat a pan and add some oil. Once the oil heats up, add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have started spluttering, add 2 medium-sized onions chopped. Saute for a while and then add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and garlic. Mix well, add some salt to speeden up the sauteing process. Once the onions have turned golden in color, add 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Saute till the raw smell of the spices go away and then add the soaked masoor dal into this spice mixture. Combine everything and then add the chopped banana flour pieces into this dal and spice mixture. Please note that masoor dal takes very less time to cook, hence we are not cooking it separately. We are going to cook it along with the banana flour. But at the same time, if you're using beans or any other dal, it needs to be cooked separately in a pressure cooker and then added towards the end after cooking the banana flour. Also, you do not have to add any water into this recipe since banana flour is full of water content. Cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure that the flame is very low and you stir in between so that the contents do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Now if you find the dal cooked and the banana flour tender and soft, it means that it is almost cooked. So now you can add grated coconut. It will add more flavor to this recipe. After adding coconut, switch off the flame, gently mix and then cover and keep for about 5 minutes. So our protein, fiber rich and tasty banana stir fry curry is ready. You can have it along with chapati or rice as side dish. Please do subscribe to Kitchen Revelations if you like this video and for more healthy recipes. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.